What's up, everybody? It's HighFlyer3312 and welcome back to my channel. And today I am playing by myself, like always. Well, in the last few of my videos. And again, I am playing Cluster Truck, the third in my series. And if you haven't watched the rest of the series, watch it now. But if you watch the whole series, you get a cookie. You know you want a cookie. So, let's start on level 8, which I was on. I am awesome. Well, not really at this game. Yay. Victory Town. I did it! Alright. So I got 1,500, I think. Yes. Oh, wait, I think I already did this before, but why not again? Ah! Oh, no. Alright, I will do this, and it will be amazing. In my opinion, ha ha ha. Oh, no. No! I was so close, but I wasn't there. Oh, what? Now, what? Okay, I think I might just do this level because it'll take me about 10 minutes, I'm guessing. I'm waiting for a truck to make it. Oh, yay. That worked out. And now, as you think it would be smooth sailing. Ah! Oh, no. Did I make it? Of course. I will do a different level. And I'm on level 4. I'll try to do this one. It is hard. And this one will make it through that. And this one. Why do these trucks never get where they're supposed to go? Well, only like 3 out of all this. So you need to play your cards right. Cards of luck. Ouchie. And if you have anything to say, and don't type anything to say that happened, please tell me in the comment section down below if there's anything I could help make this series better. Please tell me. I'm trying to get suggestions. What? That didn't even make sense there. I need to at least do better in this because I can't just do this and not get better one bit. Is the legend true? Yes, it is. No! What? Sad music cue. That's not copyrighted, of course. I don't want to be copyrighted. And what? Alright, so I could chill on this. Take a chill pill. As I thought. And then I hit wood. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? Woodchuck could chuck wood. None. Because it can't chuck wood. Only Chuck Norris could chuck wood like a woodchuck should chuck. Yes, I just made that up. You know what? I quit. So, thank you for everyone that's watching and sitting there, probably in a classroom. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, whatever it is. And Yeah, have a good school. Yeah. Goodbye. Now I need to add this dramatically. Oh no. 360. Woo!